This is another video out of my archives. This is raw footage I shot a bunch of years ago, back in 1998. It sat in my storage, and when we moved our house, moved from one state to another, I went ahead through and found it again and figured I'd edit it into a little program. As you can see, it's a helicopter, and he's picking up what looks like a log. It's actually a tree that's been pushed out of the ground with the stumps left on it. All the root balls there. So he's coming back without the thing on the hook, so it tells me he's dropped it somewhere. And this location is where I had a shop at one time, and I lived only a couple of miles away from this. Well, this building in front of here is a wood fiber recycling facility, and behind it is a auto wrecking storage yard. They used to auction off wrecked cars back there. You can see the name on the helicopter says Columbia, and that's the name of the company, Columbia Helicopters. You've probably seen them on television on one of the logging programs or on some firefighting stuff. And I've been on logging sites and stuff where these guys were working, so I'm familiar with them. And they did a lot of this stuff, which I wasn't all that impressed with. I mean, this is kind of their normal thing. Since I saw him here and I kind of knew what was back there, I figured I'd try to get back here and get some shots of them picking stuff up. Here you can see he's dropping down, so he's delivering this not far away. It's about a half mile from where he was dropping this stuff. There's a creek down there, and those kind of trees are used for bank restoration. Anyway, I came back to where they were doing their staging, and this is as close as I could get. They're pretty touchy, first of all, about people with cameras, and second of all, there's a lot of debris and stuff that goes around. They don't want anybody to get hurt. So, anyway, you can see this chopper bounces around pretty good. Now here's the crew, and I got to zoom in on them. I'm back quite a ways. But that orange cone right there is where the lines hook in. And if you look, there's three guys here, and there's like a tub there. And it's a fuel tank, I think, or some kind of tank they've cut in half, and they cut the end off of one side. You can notice the rocks that are in there behind them, and now you can see the dust that's flying around. What it appears like you're doing here is hooking this tub up to that hook. And they're putting that rock into that tub. There's a loader back there. It doesn't show up very well on this shot. You can see this thing picks up pretty level. Maybe just tip back a little bit. Anyway, I kind of followed the path of where he was delivering the stuff to. And you can see he's flying over the county road. Now this road was affected 2 years before this. They had a stream bed, or a road bed failed, and they had to go in and reestablish the road bed and put new asphalt down on it. Now they have a flagger in here. Every time this chopper goes over, this flagger stops the traffic, so that kind of showed me some pretty good foresight. You can see him maneuvering down to the dump site. Now as he's coming down here, you can look at the bank on the left-hand side of that tub. Also notice that tub is kind of turning around in circles. And you can see the prop wash off that chopper. Now the trees are getting bashed around. And then also notice the trees that have fallen down. Now there's two guys down here, and the one in the middle of the picture to the right, he's directing where that tub gets to be dropped at. That pilot has to come in and go in and maneuver that tub so it dumps in the right place. So I thought this was a pretty impressive skill set on his part. You'll see that tub come back toward the bank a little bit here, and it'll be tipped down so that the rock and stuff can fall out of it. After it's dumped, then away he goes back for another load. He's coming back in for another pickup. You can kind of get an idea of the skill set of these guys. He's got to set that tub down so that it sets down again on the bottom of it. They'll hook up those lines again so it'll pick up straight. And then they'll move a little bit out of the way so the loader can come in and drop some more rock into this thing. All the while this chopper's bouncing up and down pretty good. This guy is looking out the window here. He's trying to make sure he's clear of everybody on the ground. You watch that wire tighten up when he picks up the load. There it goes. Now he'll turn slowly and head off to the next drop. Back over the road. Just nice and easy, brings it in slow. You can see the rotor wash again just beating those trees up. It looks like he's using the bank to steady that up and then to kind of guide it in place. It's awfully skillful as far as I can see. Bang, the thing comes down. He's got her in place where he wanted. See the lines drop off on the front of it. And now he's picking it up, and he's guiding it as he's picking it up. And there goes the rock. And back for another load. I'm going to hang down here this time and give you a better view of what the bank looks like, how sensitive this actually was. So there, that county road is right up there above that bank, and this was part of the road beds right there on the edge. And there's the two guys down below. They're planning their next drop. Well, this was a really impressive operation again to me. It shows a lot of skill. Now, I only witnessed this for just this short time. It was about 4 hours of them operating, and I got about an hour's worth of footage on here. But these guys did this for 2 or 3 days. I'm not sure where. I know they did it for 2 days because they were working the next day when I had to go to a job site. For me, this shows incredible skill. I'm just blown away by how well they manipulated that tub and dumped that gravel in all the right places. This was an incredibly professional operation. It was done safely. It was done quickly. I suppose the county got all their money's worth from this. And this held up for quite a while, I believe. The road did have some other failures up above, but I don't think it had it to this effect, and it wasn't all caused by this. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.